I'm gonna tell you a lesson that was learned the hard way. So my resident wasn't tall enough or didn't have long enough legs to get this dislocated hip back in place. It was a prosthetic hip that had gone out of place. Patient didn't speak much, but was in pain, moaning in pain, crying. He didn't speak, but was moaning in pain. Had, I guess, was accidentally stretched in the wrong position, and the hip came out. Internally rotated, externally rotated. No, internally rotated, shortened. All right. So how to reduce it? So it got reduced, but I let my resident try this thing called a Captain Morgan. So typically, orthopedic docs like to grab the leg and then go pull at 60 degrees at an angle, and then go 60 degrees out, and then hopefully lift it out and get the hip back in. But I learned from the short Asian folks, you can do a Captain Morgan. Lift the leg up high enough once they're sedated. Lift it up and use your knee as the fulcrum and the bent knee of the leg that's injured, and you pull up and you rock, and it pops in. But please, wear one of these before you go in. Before you get a brown gift on your shoe. Please. You will lose that shoe or clean it and always see the dookie that laid on it.